Model: 66-plate Citroën Dispatch M Diesel 1000 1.6 BlueHDi 95 van Enterprise body, white, panel van mileage, 86,193 engine, 1,560 cc DV6 FDUA transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Engine is perfect, clutch needs replacing. Gearbox looks all good. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, part service history, 2 keys, reversing camera, air con, parking sensors, electric windows EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, £8,625. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp